To begin, you're going to want to get your model set up in a T-pose as much as possible. I use the ring bearer pose, and then I use the advanced posing to get the arms straight as possible with the palms facing down. And then you're going to want to buy it with the 3D tabletop download version. This will allow you to get the colors as well instead of the STLs. You're going to download it after it is processed. Go ahead and get that extracted where you need, and you'll have the Unity 3D file. You won't be able to use this immediately in Unity to rig it or animate it at all, so you're going to need this program called UTinyRipper. I'll have the download in the description. You're going to drag the Unity 3D file to UTinyRipper. Go ahead and export that. And now you'll have all the assets exported and extracted from the Unity 3D file. We're going to now use Unity to export it as an FBX file. So go ahead and drag all the assets over to Unity. Grab the prefab, throw it into the scene, and you're going to want to create a new material. Drag it onto the model. Open the Texture 2D folder, and for the material you've just created, for the albedo, metallic, diffuse, or occlusion, metal, and normal, just match those up. And if you added emissive elements, go ahead and add that as well. And you'll have your fully textured model here in Unity. And we're going to export that as FBX. You're going to want to install FBX exporter under the package manager. Go ahead and click your object. Go to game object. Export to FBX. Set the export format to binary. You now have your FBX file. You'll go over to Mixamo now and upload a character. Go ahead and upload that FBX file you just created. Set it to face forward, and then go ahead and match up each of these little markers. It is going to auto rig, which will take a couple minutes. And when it's done, it'll come out looking like this. And you can go ahead and preview it to make sure it all looks good. And I'm going to go ahead and just download the character right now to throw it into the Unity. And this will be a version of the character that is fully rigged now. I'm going to go ahead and grab an animation to throw on it. I'll bring that into Unity as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the new model that is rigged, and as you can see, it is fully animated and walking. I'm going to throw an animator on this just to see what it looked like actually in a scene. And once I've actually assigned the animator to the character and set it to loop, it is now successfully walking in scene.